In this lesson, I will discuss Feature Manager tree and few other manager which is available inside this. The first tab is called Feature Manager Design Tree. Most of the time you have to work inside this. Then this is called Property Manager, Configuration Manager, DIM Expert Manager, Display Manager. There are a few different tabs we can see here. Now most of the time you have to work with inside this and Property Manager. This is the two areas you have to work with frequently. This environment is almost same inside part, assembly and drawing. Inside the part we can see there are total 5 different tabs available, which is Feature Manager Design Tree, first one, then Property, Configuration, DIM Expert and then Display Manager. All are same in the assembly level also. Let's check inside the drawing file. Inside the drawing file, first one is okay, Feature Manager Design Tree, second is also fine, Property Manager. But if Solidworks Inspection is installed inside your computer, in that case it will show you here, otherwise it will not show anything here. So here in this case, this is a little bit different inside the drawing environment. So let's go to Solidworks part environment. Now inside this part environment, inside this Feature Manager Design Tree, first option you can see here, this is part icon, that means this is part file, and from the top you can see .sldprt, that means this is part file. So for part file you will see this is the icon it will show, that means I am inside the part file. Inside the part there are a few different folder we can see, from here history to here all are folder. Then we can see few different reference, front, top, right and origin. There are 4 reference we can see here. First 3 are plain reference, last one is origin reference. That means just a point. Each folder carries some important information. If your model has any equation, it will show it here inside this. If it has some annotation, it will show inside this. Sensor folder is showing but nothing inside this sensor folder. So in that case, if you want, you can hide it. You can control all of this show and hide for this folder. You can control this from this option, system options, feature manager. From here you can see hide or show tree item. So for this feature manager tree you can hide, show or you can put automatic. And if I go to this any drop down menu, I will see automatic, hide or show. Let's say for sensor it is saying show, that means every time if you create a part it will show you that folder, and even if this folder is empty it will show you here. Let's say if there is nothing inside the folder, I don't want to see, in that case I have to put automatic, not show. If I select automatic, it will hide because there is nothing inside that sensor folder. But if I create any sensor, as soon as I create the sensor it will show you here. Then the next option is showing material. Whatever material you are using, you have to assign it here for this specific part. Then this 4 reference, from top to this origin, this is default for any different type of new part. You cannot delete this front, top, right. If I right click, if I want to delete it, I can delete it. If I want to delete it, if I right click on this front, if I want to delete it, I cannot delete it. I can hide it. If I select show, it will show me, and if I want to hide it, I can hide it. So this is default, you cannot delete it. Then it will start, your work will start from here. So let's say if I create a new file, for the new file you can see it is showing just only 2 folder, this material, this 4 reference. Now if I create anything, it will listed just after this origin. So it will start just after the origin. So any tool I use to make my part, it will start just after the origin. Then this property manager, I will not discuss this all of this option. This will be harder for you to understand. When I will work step by step, you will learn what is the difference between property manager, configuration manager and all other different tabs. But I want to discuss little bit inside the Solidworks assembly environment. In the assembly environment, you can see this was part last time, and now this is showing assembly icon. That means this is the assembly. But in the assembly, this folder is same like part, all references are same, but from here, this is not any tool. This is a specific part. This is one part, this is one part, this is one part. When I will work inside the assembly environment, I will discuss more about this feature manager tree.